New to Roblox and not sure where to start? Roblox is an online platform where you can play millions of user-created experiences, customize your avatar, connect with friends, and even create your own games using Roblox Studio. In this guide, I'll show you how to use Roblox for beginners step by step in 2026. Let's get started. First, open the Roblox app or visit the official Roblox website and sign in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, create one before continuing. After signing in, you'll arrive at the Roblox home page. Next, take a moment to explore the home page. Here you'll find recommended experiences, recently played games, popular categories, your friends list, notifications, and quick access to different sections of Roblox. Choose an experience that looks interesting and click the play button. Roblox will launch the experience, and you'll be able to move your character, interact with the environment, and learn the controls as you play. After playing, return to the home page and open the avatar section. Here you can change your character's appearance by equipping different clothing, accessories, hairstyles, and other items from your inventory or the marketplace. Finally, search for friends, adjust your privacy settings, and review your account security options. Enabling two-factor authentication and choosing the right privacy settings can help keep your Roblox account secure while you enjoy the platform. And that's how to use Roblox for beginners. Once you're familiar with the basics, you can discover new experiences, customize your avatar, make friends, and even create your own games with Roblox Studio. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.